In example 6, we need to find a reference angle for 5 pi over 4. And a reference angle is different than a coterminal angle. So all of the previous examples were dealing with those coterminal angles. But now what we need to do, and I'll draw you a little picture here, is we need to find this reference angle for 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4 is going to be this angle right here. It's also 225 degrees. So if you wanted to, you could change this into degrees and go from there. This is given in radians though, so our answer should be in radians. So what we're looking for is we're looking for this angle right here. That's our question mark. What is that angle? Remember that a reference angle is the angle between the terminal side and the x-axis, and it has to be between 0 and 90 degrees, or in this case 0 and pi over 2. So to figure out this angle right here in purple, we're going to ask ourselves, if we had this original angle and then took away 180, that would leave us with this piece right here. So we can take 5 pi over 4 and subtract pi, which is 180 degrees. So if we go all the way to this angle, 5 pi over 4, and take away this part, we'll be left with that question mark. Remember, when you're adding or subtracting fractions though, you need to have a common denominator, so we're going to change this pi into 4 pi over 4, not changing its value, but just changing the way it looks. Then we can do 5 pi minus 4 pi, which is pi, and then we'll have a common denominator here that needs to come over to the right, of 4. This angle is definitely between 0 and pi over 2, or 0 and 90 degrees. It's 45 degrees. This is the reference angle for 5 pi over 4.